Hi, this is Jim Howes of the law firm of James D. Howes. Nobody wants to go before a judge. We all have certain fears. But in the workers' compensation process, we don't have judges who wear black robes and wear white wigs. It's a very informal process. It's at a hearing site nearest your home, and there is no reason to be intimidated by an employer. We work with insurance companies. We do not engage the employer in litigation. They are welcome to participate if they wish. However, generally speaking, the process will involve mostly recordings, a testimony that's given before a court reporter, and the filing of certain paperwork and medical records, as well as medical reports. Concerning the process itself, when you fill out paperwork with our law firm, this does not mean that you will receive a check tomorrow. It is a litigation process. It does take some time. However, we're here to help you. We will be with you through the deposition process and through any testimony. Basically, we handle the claim for you. We tell you where to go, when to be there, and what to do when you get there. So there's really no fear and no concern about you're having to shoulder this burden. That's why we're here. We are experienced. Workers' compensation is all we do. We've handled almost 4,000 claims in every area. So when you come to us, it's not like trying to retain an attorney who may not have workers' compensation experience. We handle only workers' compensation claims under the workers' compensation process here in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. Workers' compensation is a process. It does take some time. It does take effort. Just because you fill out the paperwork today doesn't mean you'll be paid tomorrow. But that's why we're here. We are experienced in workers' compensation. So you need to rely on us to handle your claim and to handle it fairly. We're not out to pick up the quick buck. The more you get paid, the more we get paid. I simply want to make sure that you get all of the benefits and rights and privileges provided under Kentucky law. We handle every claim the same way. It doesn't matter whether your claim is big or small. We will give forth a maximum effort, and you can be assured that you are in the hands of experienced attorneys and staff who have your best interest at heart. So if you have a work injury and you need some legal help, give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be glad to serve you.